Hola clase, welcome to your Blackboard tutorial. When you enter into the class, you're going to enter on the announcements page, and the newest announcement is always going to appear right here in the front. You will also receive an email when announcements are sent out. So, my faculty information is under the Faculty Information tab. You can find my email address, my work phone number, my office location, and my office hours, and anything else you might want to know about me and why I like to teach Spanish, which I will also tell you in my informational video that introduces myself. Syllabus and schedule is a very important tab. Here you will find the course syllabus for the course, and this is very important. It's a document that is a contract between myself and yourself, and it lets both of us know what our obligations are to the other person and keeps everybody on track. The course schedule is here. The actual due dates aren't there, but the point values and the week are there, and then each due date will be listed at the beginning of the chapters that you'll see in the assignments portion of the course. So be aware that you'll be responsible for knowing the information in the syllabus and in the course schedule. Alright, so the assignments tab is where you're going to spend most of your time. This is where the main body of the coursework is located. It's loading. So in the assignments tab, you're going to find the different weeks, and you're going to click on week 1, and you'll go into week 1, and you'll be able to do all the work for week 1. And then the same thing will happen with week 2, week 3, week 4, etc. So you'll go into assignments, and then you'll go into week 1, and then you'll be able to work in there. So as you can see, week 16, 15, 14, etc., they're all here. But you won't see any of them except week 1, and then when it's week 2, you'll see week 2, etc. So you don't have to worry about seeing so many. Alright, so in the course documents tab, this is another very useful document to have. This Blackboard tutorial video will be posted there, as well as the typing in Spanish information. So for accent marks and etc., that's where you'll find that. Also netiquette rules to teach you how to, or what's allowed or what's expected in the communication in this course. And then if you're looking for PowerPoints or documents from any of the lessons that we have had, you can locate those in the appropriate weeks folder as well. Alright, so in the discussion board tab, this is where you will see a discussion board for preguntas para la profesora, so questions for the professor. There's a frequently asked questions document here, which you can look at to see if you if your question can be answered by one of those. Otherwise, you can ask it in that form. The course feedback form is where you might go to say, this video I think is inappropriate, or if there's a typo, or if there's a broken link or something like that. So you would go there. And then the last one is for you to have ungraded conversations with your peers, to maybe set up study groups, or ask anybody else if they're struggling with the same thing you are, etc. So it can be like the chat room for the class. In the groups tab, we won't be using groups very much this semester, but if we do, you'll find your group there. Your grades are under my grades. The student resources button has all of the CWI student resources for you. So make sure you familiarize yourself with those. And then under the tools tab, this is where you're going to come to do the Blackboard Collaborate sessions. Those will be the different, that's what the tool we will be using for the different exam review spots, and it's also the tool we will be using for different virtual office hours, and it's the tool we will be using for the oral exams if you don't come see me in person. So be aware of that. That's the location for that. We also are using journals and voice boards that are located down in here. However, those will be actually in the assignments tab when you need them, so you shouldn't have to worry about anything besides the Blackboard Collaborate in this area. The course evaluation tab is where you would go at the end of the semester to evaluate the course. So please do that. I'm going to log out here just so you can see the introduction screen. If you need any help with Blackboard or the new version of Blackboard or whatever, make sure you click on the Student Help and Tutorials area, or you can click up here at Student Help. If you don't know how to sign into Blackboard, that will help you as well. If you have any other questions, either if it's about the course itself, contact me. If it's about Blackboard, contact or make a Blackboard help desk ticket. But first, watch the tutorials in the Blackboard thing. All right. So I think that's it. Hasta pronto, clase. Adiós.